G'day team, PD checking in with another unboxing. This time we've got the KEF Q150s bookshelf speakers. So I've been looking at these for a while and I reckon they're going to be pretty sweet for in the office. Not mucking around with the active speakers anymore. I've had that many issues with the Cantos. I think I'll go with just a bit more of a known brand. That's good. So we've got all the stuff on there. So excited to open this one up and have a look. So it's just a standard box. It is massive and it is very heavy. So yeah, it's got all the KEF tape all been sealed off. That's cool. So let's have a look. So it's all been sealed. I might even have to do 2 passes at this one. This side here looks a bit more pressed. Very good. Okay, so what do we get when we open that? Yep, some clear Firefly stuff. We've got some foam packing in there. Plastic sleeve with looks like it's got some manuals and stuff in there. Let's have a bit of a look. Okay, so we've got some foam stuff. I think that's to seal the back of the ports, if you wish, for less bass, I believe. I'm not a speaker expert, but I think that's what they do. So it looks like there's an outer and an inner. Maybe you can reduce it full block or partial block if you push that center or sausage out. Don't know, but then it's not consistent on the other side. So, oh, that one is. Oh, yep, just. Righto, so it does have kind of a perforation there. Oh, yep, there we go. Yep, so that's just like soft EVA foam sponge. Not too sure what the technical name is of that, but yep, so a bit of sponge there. KEF book, owner's manual. Looks like it covers the entire range. I was actually looking at these Q950s, but went with the Wharfdale Lintons, which I'm very impressed with. So yeah, blah blah blah. Very good. Then we've got warranty information. It's quite thick pages on the books. It's in like a gloss. I'd say it's almost cardboard. That's paper, but the rest is all cardboard. Feels good. Well, blah blah, whatever in there. And it looks like. Finally, we've got some of these rubber feet, which will stick on the bottom of the bookshelves. They're kind of like more, I'd say they're medium to more firm squishiness. So they've just got the adhesive tape there. Each of them punched out, good to go. 4 on each, 1 for each corner. Very good. Sleeve. So then we'll take out the foam. So we've got that foam. Corner. Center, sorry. Corner. It's just packing foam. Another. Back corner. Back center, back corner. And it looks like we've also got some cardboard on the sides. I think that's just going to be like transit stuff. Oh no, we'll have a look in there. Ah, this one included the grills. That's right. The guys who I bought this from actually included the grills at no extra charge. That's pretty cool. So we'll have a look at that. Yeah, I thought that was a ripper. I can't believe that with KEF you have to pay extra for a grill. Well, I think that's just a bit cheeky, a bit ridiculous. But anyway, marketing, whatever. Be gentle. So that's all your product number for the grills. Black cloth grill, 1-piece single pack. It's got your weights and stuff. All your codes if you want to order them. Okay, so box in a box, so you got some packing foam on either side of that. It's really well packed. Super quality there. So in that you've then got instructions on how to put some grills on. Yep, very good. Yeah, magnets, very good. That's it for that. So then we've got these corner pieces on each. Just like hard plastic, like a picture frame kind of protector looking thing. And then this is in like a foam wrap. I'll just cut that, save tearing it. Good. It's like a foam packing sleeve, like an envelope style. Yeah, sweet. So that's your KEF grills. Feels like it's like an MDF. It's like it's a really nice finish on that, that's for sure. It's a gloss. It's kind of got like a little bit of a mica. They must be the magnets. Cloth's all pretty taut, and then it's recessed down in there. See the hole for the speaker, and that also feels like it's got a slight chamfer to it. Finishing's probably, I'd say, a little bit rough on the inside, but you're not going to see that too much. So yeah, it looks like a bit of a rough cut, but then it's been painted over, so yeah, that's fine. And then it's, yeah, nice. It's like a delicate grill material, pretty standard stuff. So then we're going to have the one for the other side. Yes, so it'll be exactly the same. Very good. And then let's get these guys out. Am I going to knock anything? Don't think so. Okay. So these are quite weighty. There's one. So in the bottom of the box is just some more transit foam, exactly the same as the top. Wacko, let's have a look. So it looks like it opens from this side. Excellent. So it's another foam style sleeve, like a big pillowcase envelope. Wacko. Wow. So these are substantial, they've got a fair bit of weight to them. I really like that walnut finish in real life. It's got a bit of a sheen to it. There's a Uni-Q driver. So like the mats around, that feels really nice, super weighty. You've got that KEF badge on the top. with the raised KEF logo in the black. Matches the actual woofer and the surround stuff. So yeah, that looks pretty sweet. There's the top, side. I'll spin around and have a look on the underneath. Same kind of finish there as well too. You can see it's a little bit shit around the corners, but I guess for that price you're not really going to complain. So you can definitely see the veneer on that. Who cares? I'm more interested in what they sound like. So yeah, that's a bit of a rough job, but I guess these are at that price point. You can't really say too much about that. There's your actual port on the back. It's like a matte plastic. You can actually see on the inside a little bit there. Yeah, right. Then we've got the actual terminals. So we've got a bit of specs, whatnot on there. We've got the posts. Then yeah, your bungs at the end, so you can chuck your banana plugs in there. That looks good. Alright, let's have a look at the second one. Yeah, it looks really good. Okay, so the second one will be the same jazz. Tip it over. I think the other one must have been, I think the other one might have been opened. Because this one here's definitely taped off. I wonder if that's why this finishes shit. Anyway, who knows? Righto, and then that's number 2. So I think the grains, they're not perfectly matching. I didn't know whether it'd be a stencil or just be the same stuff. So yeah, no, that's finished the same. So look, for a premium brand, that's not great. But anyway, from that kind of distance, you won't really see it. So same jazz again, identical. 1 and 2. It's your front. With, yeah, that consistent shit finish. But anyway, and then the side. Bottom. And then the back, identical. Very good. And then let's have a quick look at the terminal post as well. Yep, so they're quite a coarse pitch. And then you can see you've got your opening there for your speaker wires. Gold plated. Very good. And then let's try it. Have a look at those center plugs. Just see how easy they are to shift out. So we go red for the positive. And I think I might need to get some tweezers or something in that to lift them. Or maybe they don't come out. I might do a bit of research on that. Pretty sure they do. Generally, they're in pretty tight, but I'll check in on that. So righto, well I'm very excited to have a go at those, and they'll be driven by this NAD D30 amplifier, which I've just picked up. So looking forward to giving them a go. And most of the reviews say that they're pretty sweet. So that's your KEFs. Very good. What a ripper. Righto team, well that's Petey checking out, and I hope you have an awesome day. See you team.